super duper excited as this lush green Pune campus will now be my workplace. So I just love the positivity of this campus and I'm looking forward for my new journey with Birlasoft. Thank you.
I'm so excited as it was a great MNC. So there are a lot of projects and new technologies which I would like to learn and would get the chance to learn that things.
I had an amazing onboarding and induction process. The entire Birlasoft team was extremely welcoming and I just can't wait to start my career here. Thank you.
Curiosity to learn.
Adaptability, mindfulness,
Innovative mindset.
proactiveness, ready to recognize and reward,
Goal focus. Accepting feedback positively.
I would say to meet new people, to learn new things.
So I'm looking forward to making new friends here and replicating the same fun environment whilst also working and enjoying every bit of it.
bold, agile, ambitious.